At this point, the writer, in question number 26, is considering adding the following information. You have to understand how this functions. A sentence function is really a special kind of rhetoric or argument building. And since the start of the Industrial Revolution, resulting in a rise in global temperatures, right here. Well, reading the previous sentence, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has increased 40% since the start of Industrial Revolution, resulting in the rise in global temperatures. My prediction was, I think it further clarifies the CO2 levels at 40%. Like, for you to just drop a bomb like saying that the levels are 42% higher, then, for what, since yesterday, since 2 days ago, since the dawn of time, who knows? Like, you really need more information. That would be really great. So I think I would welcome this because it further clarifies this measurement that they're giving here. And so that was my prediction. I looked down here and I saw yes, yes, no, no. I just really appreciate the way that the College Board usually puts the yeses on top and the no's down below. I think just a consistent format really helps avoid test-taking errors. They really want to test your sentence function. They don't want to test whether or not you can hunt down the right yeses and nos. They're always in the same spot. Yes, because it establishes the relationship between carbon dioxide and atmosphere global warming. It really heightens the importance of this. You might think, who cares about these otters? But all of a sudden, when it talks about global warming, we all might have a stake in what happens to these otters. Yes, because it explains the key roles sea otters, sea urchins, and kelp forests play in combating global warming. Well, not really. That's not what this does. You might find this kind of information elsewhere in the passage. It's true, but it's not in here. It's not part of the insertion that we're thinking about adding. So yes is the right reason, but this is not it right here. It's the wrong relationship, and maybe even the wrong reason. You can eliminate no because it disagrees with your prediction, but also it doesn't contradict any claim that sea otters help keep the forest healthy. No, there's no contradiction. In fact, it really does. The exact opposite is claimed in the statement, and this doesn't disagree. It does not contradict anything that the author is trying to say. And the focus here is not the Industrial Revolution. It might mention the Industrial Revolution to give you a context to help you understand since when we've increased 40%. But it doesn't blur the focus of the paragraph. We're still talking about the same thing, CO2 levels and kelp forests. So no, it doesn't. This revolution, the Industrial Revolution, it's not the focus of the sentence, and it doesn't blur the focus of the paragraph. So that's why A is correct.